Hey guys, your friend Adeyemi watching is here. So we are going to learn how we are going to be earning free crypto from Binance. You know Binance before, and you should know that this is 100% legit because Binance is a very big brand where I'm an exchanger where to buy or sell cryptocurrency, right? So now I'm going to teach you how you're going to getting free 100% free crypto from this platform every blessed day. Yes, every blessed day. So what you need to do is just to get your Android phone. You don't need to have a PC. Your Android phone is okay, internet connection is okay. Then you need to have at least around $40 or $50 thereabouts. So once you have that, you are going to go and you'll be earning free crypto from this platform on a daily basis. So what you do is just to go to your app, install Binance. If you don't have, you can actually do it on my laptop as well, but I want to, for the case study today, for the purpose of this video today, I'm going to make use of Android phone, right? So now what you need to do is just to go to your Play Store, your Google Play Store, right? So when you get there, if you have an iPhone or two, you can make use of that. So right, so then just go to your Google Play Store. When you get to your Google Play Store, then install Binance application on your phone, then open it. Make sure that you register and make sure that your account is 100% verified. So you want to verify your account, you just need maybe driver's license, international passports, or maybe voter's card. I don't know. Then NNN and maybe that or plastic one. I don't know if they accept the paper one. That's paper one. I don't know. That is NIN slip. All right. So after you have done that, then all you need to do is just to log on to your application, your Binance application on your phone. So when you log on to your Binance application on your phone, just scroll down. You're going to see something like this. You're going to see something like Binance Earn. All right, Binance Earns any crypto made simple, right? So what you need to do first, what you need to do before you go to that is just to make sure that you buy a coin called Shiba Inu, right? So you know everything. You know, a lot of news has been going up and down about Shiba Inu. That's in the next in some years now. I don't know, maybe some years, maybe some months. Shiba is going to be crazy, and what Shiba has done for the few months now is very crazy, right? It's very crazy, and it's still going to be placed, right? It's still going to skyrocket in price. So I want you to hold Shiba Inu. So holding Shiba Inu, you'll be earning free crypto from Binance as well, all right? While you're holding free Shiba Inu on your Binance account, you'll be earning free coin as well on your account, right? So now what you need to do is just that. Make sure that you fund, maybe you can buy. If you don't have money on your Binance account before, you can easily go to buy a USDT or be a USDT. Make sure that you buy USDT, all right? So what you need to do is just to go to P2P. So when you get to P2P, so you can easily buy what is it called, USDT with your Naira that you're having. That is if you don't have any money on your Binance account before. So you can see we have a bunch of people selling USDT right here, right? So what you need to do is just to go to any one of them. Let's say like this guy is now, if you want to buy from this guy, let's say you have 50,000 Naira, right? $50, right? You have $50. All you need to do is just to go to these guys and tell him that you want to buy 50 USDT. So if you want to buy 50 USDT, so it's going to send to you, and you can see 50 USDT is around 28,000. That is less than 29,000 Naira. Let's say 29,000. Let's say 28,500 Naira. That is 50 USDT. So then you click on buy. Once you click on buy, the guy will show you the payment account. So you also need to transfer to that payment. Once you transfer to the payment, then you click on paid, then release my crypto. So once you do that, the guy is going to release your crypto so you're going to have your USDT in your account right here. So once you have the USDT in your account right here, what you need to do next is just to come to the middle right here where it says trade, right? You just need to come to where it says trade. You can see trade. So now once you click on that trade, so it's going to see a platform like this. Then what you need to do next is just to click on this place. right, where it says BNB USDT. So when you click on it, it shows something like this. Then what you're going to do next is go to type SHIB. All right, just type SHIB. All right, once you type SHIB, then you click on, choose that first one, which is SHIB/USDT. So then next thing you're going to do is that you're going to sell it. You want to sell, you want to buy SHIB, right? You want to use that USDT that you have to buy SHIB in, right? So then the next thing you're going to do is just to click on this limit. Just click on the limit. Just click on the limit. All right, so just click on the limit. You see limit right here, so just click on that limit. So then choose, you're going to choose market, right? So you're going to choose market right here. So just make sure that you change that limit to market. Once you change it to market, then you're going to click 100% right here. Just make sure that you click on that 100%. That is, you want to use all the coin that you have, all the USD that you have to buy SHIB, or it depends on, but the minimum should be like $50, right? That is, the minimum I should be like $50. Now, once you have that, you're gonna have your SHIB, let's say I want to buy SHIB worth of 50. Let me just change it to limits. I want to show something. So say $50. So that is over 1 million SHIB that I'm gonna get. All right. That, as you can see, is this over 1 million? That is 1.3 SHIB. Then if you say 45, okay, 40. All right, you can start with $40. So that is 40 USDT. And if you want to buy 40 USDT, that one should be around 25 or 26,000. You can just set it there, right? So then once you have that, once you have your SHIB, yeah, we are good to go. Then let's go back home. So once you have your SHIB, then now it's time to go to this Binance Earn, right? You just click on that Binance Earn. Click on that Binance Earn. Once you click on the Binance Earn, so guys, I'm going to show you. I actually started this. I funded a SHIB worth of 8 million SHIB, and right now I'm having 1.3 something SHIB. So I earned 5 million free SHIB from Binance directly. So this is exactly what you're going to do. So while you are holding SHIB, you earn more free SHIB on this platform, right? We are going to earn more SHIB on the platform. By the time SHIB gets to where it's going, man, guys, you're going to cash out like big time, right? So now you can see this is it right here. So this is it right here. Now what you can see, so it says something right here that I want you to read with me. It said, don't just hold your crypto, grow it, right? Don't just hold your crypto, grow it. All right, so you're going to grow it for free, right? You're going to grow it for free. So then the next thing you're going to do right here is that you're going to come to the search bar right here, the search box there. So what you're going to do is just to type SHIB. That's a SHIB, so then you're going to click on SHIB. Once you click on SHIB, so it's going to come up, right? You can see that it's loading. So it's going to come up. Let's wait for it to come up. All right, you can see that we now have our SHIB, right? We have SHIB. So if you, for 60 days, the APY is 4.12. For 30 days, if you lock it for if they lock it for 30 days, you're gonna have the APY is 3.67%. Then the flexible 0.5. I don't do that flexible. So exactly this is what I normally go for. The one for 60 days. I mean it's 30 days, right? I normally go for the one for 30 days. Now what you're gonna do right here now is just to click on SHIB. Okay, that is for the 30 days. So I just you can see that I just choose the one for 30 days right here. Okay, then all the SHIB that you have is going to be here, right here. You're going to see available SHIB right here. All that is your 1 million SHIB is the minimum. As you can see, the minimum is 1 million SHIB that you can actually stake, right? That can actually stake to earn free more crypto, right? So then what you're going to do right here now is that, let me just type in, maybe you can show us some information. 1 million SHIB, okay, 1 million SHIB, right? So 1 million SHIB,
You can see every blessed day, if you put 1 million Shiba, every blessed day, you will be earning 3,016.5 Shiba. Every day, you'll be collecting 3,016.5 Shiba, right? Like my own now, I think I'm having like 13 million there right now, so 13 million. So every day I earn the total interest the total interest that I'm getting at the end of 30 days is 39.2, though at times it goes to as high as 40, right? So that is it. So now if you now have 1 million, it means the total that I'll be getting at the end of 30 days, not every day, sorry for the what I just said earlier. So you'll be earning 3.16.5 Shiba every month. So it depends, but the minimum is just 1 million Shiba, that you can stake here right now. So then the next thing you're gonna do, once you say max, you just need to click on max right here. As you can see, max beside that Shiba. Once you do that, then you're gonna click on I have read and agreed. Then you click on confirm. Once you do that, they will lock your coin for 30 days. After all, you are holding it, right? So they are going to lock it for 30 days. You don't have access to it for 30 days, but it's still your coin. So, but every day they will now be releasing what you're supposed to earn, right? Every day they be releasing what you're supposed to earn. So then after 30 days, they are going to release your coin for you. So if you want to restake it again, so that is what I have been doing, guys. And right now, let me just show you my Shiba. I'm gonna go to right here. I'm gonna come to wallet, then earn, right? So as you can see that I just did another one yesterday, right? I just did another one yesterday, and this is, as you can see, that I have 13 million right here. Okay, you can see that I have 13 million right there. So on it every day, so every blessed day. Everybody say blessed day, guys. I'll be earning 1,318 Shiba, 1,318.43 Shiba is what I get. So you can see that I just reinstate on the 26th. You can see that I just restake now. That is the staking date, and it's going to be locked for 30 days. All right, it's going to be locked for 30 days. So today, I'm going to maybe around evening now. They are going to start crediting me 1,318 for good 30 days. So that is about like 30 something, right? 5,000 Shiba that I'm going to get again. So this is what I've been doing, guys. This is what I've been doing. So as your accrued day will be showing right here, you can see that my accrued day is still 0 day. That is the remaining days, part of your 30 days. And so because I just restake, that is why it's showing this, right? So guys, this is the secret to earn free cryptocurrency on Binance, to grow them, to earn and grow your crypto on Binance. So I want you to do this if you have money, and at the end of the day, you're going to be happy that you did this. All right. So if you are new to this channel, or you have been watching my video but you never subscribed to this channel, kindly click on the subscription button and the notification bell, because next year 2022 is going to be wow. It's going to be great, right? So, and I would not like you to, I don't want you to mix any of my video updates that I'll be updating in 2022, right? So if you click on the subscription button now and the notification bell, immediately I drop a update or I drop a video on my channel, you're going to get updates from YouTube that ADM just dropped another video. Quickly watch it and you make use of it to make money fast. So you're going to be the first money to watch and make that money fast, right? So thank you very much. I remain yours, ADM Odwashiu.